On the side of the road down in Terrebonne Parish, I was born in a black Chevrolet. The wind was howling, the dog was growling, and it looked like it's gonna rain. From deep in the swamp come a dark-haired woman, come and take a look at me. She said 3 words, but I don't know what they was, and today it's still a mystery. I was born in a black Biscayne Chevrolet. I'm going back to Louisiana, to the girl I left behind. Girl, I've been to Kansas, baby, I've been to Memphis too. Never met a woman that could love me the way you do. Back to Louisiana. Kitchen getting ready for a party tonight. Well, switching in the kitchen getting ready for a party tonight. See the girl against the wall, she's getting ready to have a sinful ball. Switching in the kitchen getting ready for a party tonight. Well, I'm going down to see my baby, yes I am. Over on Union, there's a good old gal. She can smoke a pig, she can fry some fowl. She got biscuits in the oven, cornbread in a pan. I get by and see her every chance that I can. I catch a whiff when I round the corner. I stop the water and I'm a goner for that Memphis wind. Down